If you're still struggling to make money online in 2025, it's not because you're not trying. It's because you're still following outdated, overcrowded methods that don't work anymore. Let's be honest. Scrolling through side hustle TikToks, watching $10,000 a month YouTube gurus, trying and failing the same broken blueprints, it's exhausting. But what if I told you you could use Google News and free AI tools to create a fully automated income stream without a product, without a following, and without showing your face? No fluff, no fake promises, just a simple system people are already using to earn $100 to $300 a day, quietly and consistently. This is the method no one's telling you about, but it's working, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. So, if you're serious about changing the game, keep watching. Why this works? Here's what most people don't realize. Google News is a goldmine of viral content updated by the minute. You don't need to create content from scratch, because the world already did it for you. And with the power of AI, you can now rewrite, repurpose, and republish those stories in minutes. We're talking blog posts, Pinterest, pins, short-form videos, all generated fast and designed to attract attention. You don't need to speak. You don't need to film. You don't need to be an expert. All you need is this Google News plus AI plus monetization formula. What you'll need? Here's your toolkit. And most of it is free. Google News to find trending articles. ChatGPT or Gemini to instantly rewrite them. Canva to turn that content into visuals or slides. Medium, Notion, or Blogger. Free publishing platforms, affiliate networks like Digistore24, Amazon, or Impact to earn commissions, optional Pinterest, Reddit, Quora to drive free traffic. That's it. No course, no fluff, just tools that work. The step-by-step strategy. Let's break this down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Find a viral topic. Open Google News, look under trending sections like tech, health, or finance. Pick a headline that's emotionally charged or shocking. Example, AI just replaced 3,000 jobs in 1 month. That's the kind of story that pulls people in. Step 2. Rewrite with AI. Copy the article, paste it into ChatGPT, and say, rewrite this in a unique voice suitable for a blog or script. Make it engaging and 100% original. You now have your content. No plagiarism, no boring copy, just fresh, compelling text. Step 3. Turn it into content. Now you've got options. Post it as a blog on Medium or Notion and embed affiliate links that match the topic. Or turn it into a visual carousel or video using Canva. Even better, use AI video tools like Pictory or InVideo to generate short, faceless videos. Step 4. Monetize smart ad affiliate links that match the subject. AI topic? Link an AI course or software. Finance topic? Link a budgeting tool or investment app. Or use a freebie to build an email list and monetize later. Step 5. Drive free traffic drop teaser answers on Quora, discussion posts on Reddit, and visual pins on Pinterest. Always link back to your content. The key? Lead with value, not spam. Rinse and repeat. Every day, new topic, new post, new monetization. What to expect now? Let's be clear. This won't make you rich overnight. But if you stay consistent and keep hitting viral trends, you'll start seeing traffic, clicks, and commissions stack up. There are beginners hitting 10,000 views in 30 days and making $100 to $500 a day by writing trending news and pairing it with smart monetization methods: speed, relevancy, execution. That's the formula. The reason most people fail isn't because they're lazy. It's because they're stuck chasing old strategies, shiny objects, and fake shortcuts. This method, it's real, it's proven, it works in 2025, but only if you take action today. So here's your challenge. Find a story, rewrite it, publish it, monetize it. Do it once, then do it again. Every day, consistently. If you're in, drop a comment saying, I'm starting today. I'll reply and help you directly. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because this is just one of many no BS methods I'm revealing to help you finally win online.